Hello, I'm here to demo a new update we have to our plot to web view in the VS Code DVC extension. We have a new type of plot inside of our image section that we call an image by step plot. This allows you to view different images that were created during an experiment run in one place via a slider. You can create this type of plot by rendering multiple images during an experiment run inside of one folder and assigning each image file name a number. For example, in this project, we render an image every epoch and save them inside of a folder called misclassified. This ends up creating a directory that looks similar to this. And the extension will recognize this pattern, and instead of rendering 15 different image rows, it renders everything in one row for easy viewing. And I think that about covers it. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this product update video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, DV. And feel free to post comments and questions below. Beyond our tools themselves, we have many resources for you on your ML journey. Visit our docs, our blog for tutorials, our YouTube channel, our Discord server for support and community, and our free online course. You can find all the links to these resources in the description. Thanks for making it to the end. DV and I will see you in the next video.